What's the difference between parking now and parking like before? Gonna be late? No time to waste. Pick a spot you like. And make sure to hit that remote park button. And just like that, you're free to go. Lazy people like me are the real drivers of technological advancement. I'm so spoiled now, even manual parking feels like a chore. If I wanna nail it in one shot, I gotta watch out for that car on the front right. Pretty efficient, one and done, and doesn't block anyone else in the aisle. Parked, locked, windows up, saving, what, like 5 minutes a day.